Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've got the hardware and app. Now start the setup. Plug Chromecast into an HDMI port and connect power so it boots. Once the TV shows the setup screen, open Google Home on your phone. You'll add a new device, choose the Chromecast shown, and let the app pair. This transfers network info automatically. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use so the device can join without extra steps or password chase. Once the Chromecast is on your network, finalize configuration by naming it and applying any firmware updates. That's why you let it finish first. Then open a Cast-enabled app like YouTube or Netflix, or use Chrome on a laptop, and tap the Cast icon to choose your Chromecast. You control playback from the source device, adjust volume and captions either in the app or via the Google Home card. If you need higher quality, make sure the source app to finish, stop casting from the app or disconnect in Google Home, then power down the Chromecast if you won't use it. If you need to move it to another Wi-Fi or owner, open Google Home and remove or factory reset the device. That clears old network credentials. If casting fails, try one key troubleshooting step: reboot Chromecast, then your phone, and finally the router. This clears IP and handshake problems. If issues continue, perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.